of the food, from PR, she's
Do what?
connected to PR firms.
Are we?
No, we have, no, Cole. They gotta drive
Huh.
us in.
New exhibit.
They have to bring us into the park. Right.
Drop off right here.
Does that say Norman Rick?
I believe it's gonna be on the right.
What's the address for it? It's, they tell me 1596.
Okay, what's the address for this facility?
We've got that one's in the essay.
Yeah. This is our stop. Yeah. Wait, this is our stop.
You get off right here?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
The woman rings at the park. I don't see the rink though.
It's 830 Fifth Avenue.
It's still half a mile.
830 Fifth Avenue.
This is what it was putting to the location. This is what it's putting to the location.
All right, so let's go to 8.
So,
Yeah, 830 Fifth.
I prefer to show the inside of it.
alright, but this is our location.
Add a stop. I'm gonna add a stop, okay?
She's going to add it on.
Okay? I have to use the check.
Just brought us back to the same spot. Yeah. Just get that loop.
If we could go to, we're on 6, right? Right?
No, we're not on six. We're at six.
No. It says 6 and 59, right?
I need the exact drop.
It doesn't
It says
matter.
5:30.
You're not
I
gonna
know,
get
I'm
an
not
exact
walking a
drop-off.
half a mile.
You're not going to get an exact drop off.
What's the Disco Oasis? Go to Disco Oasis.
I did. It's 5:30. 830 Fifth Avenue. 830 Fifth Avenue is the address.
Yeah, and we passed that about a half a mile back.
Did we?
Yeah.
This is 8:15.
Yeah, 8:30 was all the way back there.
All right.
When I say that you have it right there.
Yeah.
All right, let's
It was
get
right
out.
there.
Okay.
That's what I was
So we'll
saying.
get out. Okay. Got it.
So what
You could drop us off. Thank you.
I bet this is gonna be a new Amazon exhibition for AMNH.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good one.
This way, Kyle. This way, Kyle.
Oh, Jesus.
Like my phone. Can you unplug me, please?
Call. We got to unplug Mom. Thank you. Have a nice night.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Okay. Come on, Kyle.
Thanks for the ride.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Hey, what's this?
Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Go!
It's the Museum
Well,
of Natural
you can
History
go.
visitors map.
Don't piss me off.
What's up, buddy?
This is gonna be fun. Well, here we are. Central Park. Dinosaurs used to live here. question though. Are we anywhere near AMNH? I think we are.
Hey, what's this? Hang on a minute.
I hope there will be new exhibitions coming soon, and when I do, I'm gonna catch it on camera. This city is one busy place, but that's how I like it. New York City is always evolving, and I don't want it to stop.
Save that.
I just want to get some footage on Central Park.
Run out of the battery.
No, we won't.
No, she still need to go this way.
Literally right there. Can't drive it. Look.
Growing, growing.
It's easier because if you look to your right there, like what I was doing. Yeah.
According to my calculations, it's going to be right somewhere.
Kyle, save your battery.
I'm getting some footage on the park.
Well, I'm just letting you know you're going to want the battery after for the show, and you're not going to forget it.
All right, I get it.
I thought they got rid of these horses.
For what?
One left the other day.
Yeah, I saw that. Supposed to go to the right?
Memory.
And the clap?
Natural. It's what they do, of course.
Yeah, but I think
It's just a horse. It is. It's what a horse is. What I can do. Everyone is progressive. I don't. Because you know what?
Black squirrel.
It's alive?
Watch out, Kyle.
Sorry. Hey, is that the Central Park Zoo? Almost world.
Excuse me. The ice skating rink is this one?
Kyle.
Yeah? What?
She wants the ice skating rink?
The roller rink is this way, right?
Dude, the Central Park Zoo is back that way.
Yeah, we're not going to the zoo. We're going to ice cream.
Yeah, but where are we supposed to get there exactly?
Right down here.
Ooh,
Kyle, be careful. That's a road.
I know how to be careful on large, dangerous roads. Scared. It's Jeremy. Bigfoot, 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 Bigfoot. All right. Wow. It was worth it.